Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Rose, and on this channel, we celebrate all things midlife. And today, we're talking about vitamin supplements for people who are over the age of 40. So, I'd like to put in a disclaimer to say before you start any vitamin regimen, please make sure you consult with your healthcare provider before you start any supplements so you know if it doesn't clash with your normal medication. And also, another disclaimer is that no one size fits all. So, some might work for others, but some might not. So, here we go. The categories of supplements that I've put together, we've got 9 categories. We've got bone and joint health, muscle cramps and pain, sleep support, skin hydration, stomach and gut health, mood and emotional balance, hot flashes and night sweats, vaginal dryness and libido, heart and metabolic health. So I just decided to put them in these categories so it's easy to present and it's easy for you guys to follow as I talk. So let's get into it. For bone and joint health. So I went all out to try and find out, what are the best supplements out there, what are people using, and what is recommended. So I went on to the Maya Clinic, I went on the Cleveland Clinic, I went on to many, many websites to try and find the best supplements that are recommended and the recommended dosages for each. Where I couldn't find recommended dosages, I didn't put any. So, for bone and joint health, the number one thing there is calcium. That's what I take, and that is the best, I think, for now. Forever Living Calcium Supplements, I've put in a link there. You can find it on their pages. And for vitamin D, take D3 with K2. This is a very good combination. And for magnesium, try and find the magnesium complex or magnesium glycinate, which works for others. So you'll find that magnesium is also featuring in a lot of other in other categories for vitamins. The most common complaints for most women as they start to go into menopause, and for most men as they approach the ages of 50 and above, is muscle cramps and pain. And the number one there is magnesium. So magnesium keeps featuring in a lot of the vitamin categories. So there is magnesium and turmeric and also electrolytes, which you can just buy over the counter. I didn't have to go down, the rabbit hole to find those. So the best turmeric I found are listed on Amazon, and I've put in the links there. You can click on those links and get the best kind of turmeric, curcumin, 500 to 1,000 milligrams to 1 milligram a day. Make sure it's a standardized extract, and you're not just getting something that doesn't have a standardized extract. Make sure you read the bottle, you know what you're taking. The next category is for sleep support. A lot of us are insomniacs when we get older. We struggle to sleep, and once we wake up during the night, we can go back to sleep. And in as far as I have searched up and down and looked at many, many websites, looked at many, many places to find that magnesium is the best, magnesium glycinate is the best to help with sleep support and your sleep hygiene, and you should incorporate it into your day-to-day sleep hygiene routine and your vitamin B complex as well. So you find magnesium, like I said, is one of the number one vitamins that I'm seeing appearing in all these categories. I looked all over, and the number one vitamin is magnesium. So it's good for sleep, it's good for bones, it's good for muscle cramps. And then the next category I want to talk about, a lot of us start to experience stomach and digestive health problems. I found that there is too much unsubstantiated information on this. So I didn't want to put in things that I was not comfortable with. But I know for sure if you look at your diet, you can find probiotic foods. Those will help with a lot of stomach and digestive health. And the other issue with stomach and digestive health is that it is very, very personal to what to a person's personal preferences for eating and their appetite and what they're trying to avoid in their diets and allergies. So there is too much information out there. Um, but I tried to list the probiotic foods that I could find. The next category, which is very important for some of us, after the age of 40, is for heart and metabolic health. There is CoQ10 that is the best. I have searched up and down YouTube, up and down um, health websites, and CoQ10 is the best. And I've tried to put in one. I've never taken one before. I've never taken those before, but this one is the best that I found. I just Googled the best CoQ10 supplements currently, and then I looked at the reviews, and this one came out tops. And then your omega 3 is featuring there as well. And you can find omega 3 in, on Amazon or on any websites that are selling vitamin supplements. It's not too hard to find. Even in your supermarkets, you'll find your omega 3s. They're very good for your heart and metabolic health. The next category is we worry a lot as we grow older that our skin becomes very dry and it loses its elasticity. The very best thing there that I also use for my skin and for hydration of my skin and elasticity is the Forever Marine Collagen. That works very, very well. You can find other collagens that you can buy, over the counter and so forth, but sometimes the bioavailability is very low, so you might not get what is actually written on the bottle. So what I find best is this one, which is already hydrolyzed for you and it digests quite easily. It doesn't irritate your stomach. It doesn't affect your digestion. So I would recommend specifically because I use it as well. Forever Marine Collagen. You can find it on the Forever websites. And then there's also your omega 3 comes back again. And then vitamin E supplementation, oral supplementation. There's also topical vitamin E that you can use for skin hydration and elasticity. A very exciting topic. As people grow older, you find that the libido starts to disappear, and a lot of women complain about painful sex and vaginal dryness. There is a lot out there, so I tried also to just put these into to look at the top recommended vitamin supplements that people can take orally and that they can also wear as vaginal inserts. And top there is the Maca root, which also comes with, in some of the supplements, it's a mixture of Maca root, diamania, like you see the Turn Me On gummies there, they've got a mixture of almost everything that is listed on the side of the slide. And then your ashwagandha, I use ashwagandha, and yeah, it has helped quite good. It is quite good. There are also other over-the-counter creams that you can try for vaginal dryness, but for painful sex, DHEA comes tops. And that brand, that is the one that I found that is topping the charts in terms of the best you can use. But that one is a vaginal insert. It's not an oral tablet. And then for mood and emotional balance, as we grow older, we become a little very much tearful, very emotional. And what I found when I looked, and what I also use is ashwagandha. It was the number one. There are also others like lion mane, which you can find in most of these supplements. You find that there's a mixture. So depending on the brand, there'll always be a mixture of ashwagandha and something else, ashwagandha and something else. That's what I discovered. And then your vitamin B complex as well. And then for those really nasty hot flashes or cold flashes and night sweats, I found Menocool Black Cohosh. That is the number one recommended remedy and supplement for hot flashes and night sweats. The reviews actually say once you start taking it, it takes just about a week and you can already feel the difference. So try it and let me know. I haven't tried them, any of these yet. I use ashwagandha, and that seems to have helped me. But topping the chart in terms of the top hot flash and night sweats vitamins is black cohosh. You can try also the others that are listed there, and the brand Estroven has a lot of supplements that are for stress relief, energy boosting, hot flashes, mood swings. They have a whole range of different kinds of mixtures of vitamins that can help you with hot flashes and night sweats and mood swings and a lot. So you can also look up their page. Thank you. This is the end. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel, share this video with others, and let me know in the comment section, guys, what are you using? What is helping you? We will do in the next video, I will talk about more natural supplements and dietary supplementation that can help you with some of the issues that we experience when we are in our midlife. So please consult with your doctor before starting any supplementation. And supplements are just one piece of the puzzle with a healthy diet, movement, and manage your stress levels. Thank you. Subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.